Subscribe for some awesome videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to Crafts with Draw. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute drawstring feature for your dolls. But before this video begins, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Anyway, let's get on with the tutorial. So first you want to cut out just a plain normal t-shirt pattern. So I'm going to put one in the link down below. It's from Lily Designs. It's not made by me, but it's from the YouTuber Lily Designs. They make awesome clothing. Be sure to go check out their channel as well. First what we're going to do is we have to sew like the shoulders together. And we're going to sew right along here, just a basic straight stitch. You could also use the stitch, I don't know what it's called, that they use like here for actual t-shirts, but I'm just going to do a basic straight stitch. Now you want to open it up like this, and then we're going to be adding the sleeves on. So just sew it right along. You see that curved line? That's perfect for like this part. Just sew it right along the curved line, like together. I'm going to go do that and be right back. Now we're going to close it like this, right along here, and like this little area here. They're kind of like a long sleeve t-shirt. So we flip it inside out. And once you do, you decide which one you want as your back side. I think I'm going to use this because I have some jellies. Use the side with like the back, the inside stitching on the back. So I'm going to use this as the back. And I'm going to just cut a slit. This is totally optional. But my shirt, I think I can get it all without doing that, so I'm going to do it. Next, cut two 4x3 inch rectangles. So you want to sew on the rectangles like this. So basically, I put them on like the front. So wherever you put the rectangles and sew them on, that's where your drawstring is going to be. So I'm doing two drawstrings along the side. Yeah. Sadly, I forgot to switch my bobbin thread to something less dark and vibrant, and I used black instead of like a lavender purple color. So, but it's okay. I don't think it'll be too noticeable with the drawstring, and hopefully, yeah. So basically, what you do is you sew like 3 lines, and with space in between. Leave the top open, otherwise, like, the drawstring won't work. So you sew right like that, and that. Other side, same thing. Yeah. So if you wanted to do this like in the middle or something, and you just have to like. So like if you only want one drawstring, only one square, 2 drawstrings like me, 2 squares, just like that. You can customize it however you like. I've seen other photos of like this drawstring type thing. I'll put them up right now. You know, for you, just so you can get some inspo, you know. So yeah. Okay, so you want to cut strips that are like 40 to 35 centimeters long. Yeah, the width, I just did like a 1 centimeter width, yeah. And I wouldn't be too worried about raw edges because like it's t-shirt material. Well, I'm doing t-shirt material, but you can of course like hem the edges if you want. And I'm not going to because it's going to be stretchy, yeah, and it's going to be tied up. It's not going to be all that noticeable, so yeah. Now to string it. Okay, so to thread it, I'm using a bobbin pin, which is kind of weird. Normally using a pin. Everyone usually uses like a sewing needle or like what's called safety pins are pretty good. And the best thing that I found is my embroidery wheel thingy. It was like one of those like craft kit thingies, but I only used the embroidery wheel from it. It came with like this plastic needle. It had a huge eye, so that's perfect for these type of things. Sadly, I misplaced it. So that's sad. But they also have like those plastic ones I use for knitting. But if you don't have that, you would just use a bottom pin or a safety pin. And I don't think a regular sewing needle would work. But yeah. So now what we do is, hopefully you can see this. There it is, okay. So we go up. I hope it's not too thick. It's not, okay. Okay, so you go up. So see how there's a gap in between? So you'll go up through there. Then down the other side. You can use your fingers to like adjust it to your liking. Let's spread it out. Okay. And then that's one drawstring done. And sadly my thing is like visible. I'm gonna drawstring it a bit more. Now I just do like a little ribbon bow tie sort of thing. And you want to repeat that to the other side.
And once you do that, you're done. And you have this super cute, trendy t-shirt for your dolls. Anyways, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If it was helpful and you liked it, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Anyways, bye!